Hey, good morning. It's Mark Weiss. In an oddly perverse move for a president who was the vice president during the Obama administration and who was all in favor and remains all in favor of Obamacare, which put eventually pressure on hospital systems and other large healthcare players such that they began to merge with each other, has now come out with a reversal in antitrust policy in terms of becoming very aggressive in connection with healthcare mergers. The government has recently shot down a planned merger in the health insurance area between, as I recall, Aon and I think it's called Merit, may be wrong on that, and is now looking more carefully at hospital system mergers. Some in the industry think, and I don't get this one, that it's going to increase the number of mergers because people will want to get their mergers done before the administration can put into effect all of the rules in regard to their heightened scrutiny. Now, maybe on some level it does, because when people are asking for pre-merger clearance, they'll get it, but I don't see that. What I see is happening is mergers that will later be attacked. So what does this mean? I think in the long run it means a further weakening of many healthcare systems. Many mergers occur because of weak hospitals. They seek another partner to merge with to gain strength. Now, maybe they gain strength if they are joining up with a system that is itself strong, but that isn't how many mergers go down. Many mergers go down in the context of two weak systems that come together thinking that two weak systems make one strong system. Go figure. But this puts physicians who've based their practice at these hospitals in a position of some jeopardy. What if the hospital needs to merge because of its weakness but can't merge because the government won't let it? What does this mean in terms of contracted groups whose facilities may be acquired by larger, strong hospitals who, by acquiring in an area that does not create a monopoly situation, find themselves displaced in favor of physicians who have relationships with the stronger hospital, the acquiring hospital, the surviving merger partner? Just makes the landscape more complex. The landscape isn't as simple as, say, a radiology group, an anesthesia group, an emergency room group getting an exclusive contract with a hospital. It's how long will that hospital be in business, and who will control that hospital? Who will the ultimate overlord of that facility, that system be? Think about these things carefully as you make your plans. Think about spreading your own risk. Think about growing yourself within acceptable bounds, paying attention to both monopoly and, of course, to anti-competitive price-fixing types of antitrust scrutiny.